We're going to take a look at a simulator that looks at what it takes for collisions between molecules to be successful in order for them to turn from reactants into products. You will see in the simulator we have two particles, particle A, and then a molecule which is made of B and C. After that we have a successful reaction, A will attach to B and C will be free. Here's our simulator. We're going to add some A and B and C to the container. Right now, I need the two to collide, but besides needing them to collide, I need A to hit the right part of the other molecule. If it contacts C, it's no good. I need it to bang into the side of the molecule where B is in order for it to attach to B. Right now, this is going to take forever. I don't have very many molecules in there and they're moving slowly. So I'm going to add more of each one to improve the probability of a reaction. So by increasing the concentration, I'm going to get more frequent collisions between molecules. However, right now, the molecules are still too low of an energy. On this axis where we see our total average energy, it's not enough to overcome the potential energy. If I heat the molecules up and they start moving faster, eventually I have a better chance of having a collision that'll work. Notice how some molecules are moving fast and some molecules are moving slow at any point in time. That's why it's an average kinetic energy. I'm going to heat it up more, mostly because I lack patience. Okay, now we've started to have molecules reacting. Not very many yet, because not all of the collisions are high quality or successful collisions. In order for a reaction to occur, a molecule must collide with another molecule at the correct orientation. Like we showed in that simulation, the correct part of each molecule has to hit one another, and they must collide with kinetic energy that's greater than the activation energy of the reaction. So when the reaction wasn't occurring, what I was doing is I was increasing the temperature, which is making the molecules move faster, and increasing my average kinetic energy, which made it more probable that a successful collision would occur. The greater the activation energy of a reaction, the more we need to heat it up in order for the reaction to occur more rapidly.